Hey everybody, CheCortez here. Just going to give you a quick overview on how to use the market zone or trade zone to make your listings. See on the left side here, you can go to sell your stuff. So we'll start by making a listing. Command or prefix is the greater than sign, sell, and then you do the title. So in this case, we'll just write booster box. It's ideal not to have any spaces there, and then in between the words, because it can mess up the bot. And then you just put your price. So it's all going to be in Australian dollars. So we'll just say 200. We'll just go Evo booster box. Hit enter. The auction bot will come up and ask you to add anything else. You can just say description. This is when you copy that. There's no need to put that greater than sign. You can write sealed, price, fixed, and the description has been updated. You want to say quantity. If you only have one, you could leave that, or if you have 6, they got a case. 6. And that's been done now. I'm happy. Normally you can go to your images. If you want to go get an image, you can go back to, say here, you right click on it, open link. This will give you that external browser. You can right click here and click copy image address. So we'll go back to where we were just before. Add that link in, make sure you have the image, semicolon, enter. That's done. Image has been updated, so then you just go submit because we're happy with this. Note will allow you to have a a DM to the buyer. You can go send address and thank you for your purchase. Please send address. And you can use unit cost itself. Oh, someone at the door. I'll have to wait. And we'll just go submit. It's been added. You will see this now appear up with all those details you just added. Next I'll show you how to buy, which is a lot more simple.